C2, Trigonometry, Section 1, Converting Degrees and Radians. So, here are the common angles that you'll probably need to know off heart, but knowing how to convert the angles can help you if you forget. So, if we're converting from degrees to radians, we need to times through by pi over 180. And if we're converting from radians to degrees, we need to do the opposite. We need to times by 180 divided by pi. So for this first example here, we're going to do 360 times pi over 180. So that gives us 2 pi. So 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi in radians. Next, we're going to do 180 times pi over 180, which gives us pi. So 180 degrees is equal to pi. Next, 90 times pi over 180 equals pi over 2. So that means that 90 degrees is equal to pi over 2 radians. So 45 times pi over 180, which is equal to pi over 4. So that means that 45 degrees is equal to pi over 4 radians. And again, 30 times pi over 180 is equal to pi over 6. So 30 degrees is equal to pi over 6 radians. 15 degrees, 15 times pi over 180, pi over 12. So 15 degrees is equal to pi over 12 radians. 60 degrees is equal to 60 times pi divided by 180, which equals pi over 3. So that means that 60 degrees is equal to pi over 3 radians. 120 degrees is 120 times pi over 180, which gives us 2 pi over 3. So that means that 120 degrees is equal to 2 pi over 3 radians. Last two now, so 135 degrees, so that times pi over 180 gives us 3 pi over 4. So 135 degrees is equal to 3 pi over 4 radians. And last but not least, 270 degrees, which would be 270 times pi over 180, which would be equal to 3 pi over 2. So 270 degrees is equal to 3 pi over 2 radians. So these are useful to memorise because you don't want to be spending time in your exam working out radians from degrees.